Chan News.
Have you ever wondered how chemistry related to our daily life?
No, I haven't, but let's hear what Dr. Ayala has to tell us about medicine's relation to chemistry.
Welcome. It's a pleasure to me to talk to you about how chemistry has revolutionized medicine. The production of medicine and drugs and everything has made our life easier. To produce medicine is how to fight diseases we couldn't fight before. Certainly, we have an easier life and we have a more prosperous and longer life and healthy life. Thanks to chemistry, we can treat many diseases. We can save many people. Have you thought before how chemistry has revolutionized medicine? Back to you, Chan.
Thanks, Dr. Ayala, for some great and useful information.
Well, I don't know about you, but I want to hear about food's relation with chemistry. So let's see what Emilio has to say.
Food chemistry is the chemistry behind the food that we eat, the food that we buy every day in the stores, and the food that keeps us healthy every day. Food chemists are the guys behind everything that we eat, like in juices. They are the ones that include the vitamins. They focus on making things last longer, making things more healthy, and making things with their improvements more cheaper for us, because we're the ones that buy the food. Well, that's about everything that I have to say for now. We go back to the studio.
Great! So now we can start talking into consideration the chemical involvement in food next time we go to the supermarket.
You could say that again. Now, have you ever wondered about chemistry's relation to warfare? I wonder what a great chemist a terrorist is.
Well, now we'll explain what are the applications of chemistry in warfare. It involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. It's considered as a mass destruction weapon. Its objective is to injure or incapacitate the enemy, sometimes to kill it. But it's also used to cause starvation by destroying foods and plants. It was first used by Romans to kill some enemies that were into a tunnel. But its bigger boost was the First World War, when toxic gases started as a military weapon. Chemical warfare is used by terrorists. They spread viruses sometimes into letters to cause chaos.
Well, thanks for those very important facts. Now, in the other hand, we have this issue of great importance, which is chemistry's relation to global warming. So let's hear what Andrea has to tell us.
Many people is concerned about the climate of the Earth. People believe that a dangerous warming is taking place in the global climate. A problem that is global warming. Global warming is the rise in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere. Earth's mean surface temperature has increased by about 1.4 Fahrenheit, with about 2/3 of the increase occurring since 1990. Warming of the climate system is unequivocal, and scientists are more than 19% certain that it's primarily by increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases produced by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. The relation of chemistry with global warming is that the gases that cause it are compounds of different elements which affect our world. The gases come from many sources such as industries, cars, and animals. Back to the studio.
Wow, so we can see that chemistry is really involved in global warming issues. A big concern of mine is the melting of polar ice caps as being a threat to Mexico's weather. We can say some solutions. Some of them are: first, we can start by promoting recycling campaigns in industries for them to increase the use of organic materials in the making of the product. By recycling, we mean using less plastic, meaning that the use of petroleum is decreased. For example, we have steel bottles in which plastic is biodegradable, meaning it can decompose in a faster way than plastics. Another solution would be to implement the regularization of carbon dioxide emission from industries as well as cars and many other sources that release carbon dioxide. At last, we should start implementing the use of other sources of energy, like using solar panels, nuclear energy, hydroelectric energy, and we can also start investigating in order to find new energy sources that will care for our environment. I guess that's it for today. So now that we've gathered great information about chemistry's involvement in our daily life, let's hear what Ana Karen has to tell us.
As we learned in today's show, chemistry takes a very important role in our lives because it is related to almost everything we do, use, are, and have. Many people think that chemistry is irrelevant while it is really important in our daily lives. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow here at the same hour